This was the first chainsaw we bought 2 years ago. This is the steel chainsaw, the MS-180C. We decided to give one of these Chinese products a chance. This is the VEVOR 50cc chainsaw, and it's about a quarter of the price of what you would spend on a steel. So let's give this guy a cold start and see how it performs. Wow, that cuts like butter. First impressions, I'm very impressed. Chinese products might be the one.
Not bad.
Might need to start going Chinese from now on.
Thank you, President Xi.
Yeah, that cut like butter, to be honest. That was really good. We'll put it more to the test and see how well it performs, but first impressions, does what it needs to do. Cuts the wood, and it cuts it nicely.